Acting on court order, the enforcement team of Ondo State Internal Revenue Service (ODIRS), led by an Assistant Director of Legal Services, Gregory Afuwakpe, moved to Ikare Akoko, headquarters of Akoko Northeast Local Government, Akoko store in the Onyimo axis of the town, where the owner has defaulted in payment of personal income tax to the tune of over 700,000 naira, was sealed off. A popular building materials outlet located in Ilepa area, Romako, whose owner has a tax liability of over 1 million naira, was also sealed off in line with the court order.
This one will serve as a deterrent to every tax defaulters in the state, whereby if they refuse to pay, we will come to anywhere to embarrass them, to lock up their premises and distort them from transacting in their businesses. So we want to encourage everybody in Ondo State. Once you are trading, once you are carrying out one business or the other in the state, you have under the law to pay your tax. Failure to do that, things like this will come up.
In the Ugbe Road axis, one Olori Omotoyinbo Funke had a warehouse sealed off for non-tax remittance to the tune of 681,280 naira. Fevje Enterprises in Agbaluku, Ikare Akoko also came under the armor of the law following the owner's tax default of over 500,000 naira. And in compliance with the court provision, a car belonging to the owner was kept at the premises of the Ikare High Court, a car dealer outlet at Semu Semu Junction. AV Folajimi Chambers, among others in Ikare, were not spared. Away from Ikare, the enforcement team moved to our local government area, where a shopping complex and a sawmill along Iyere Road were sealed off over non-payment of land use charge in the last 6 years.
A certain amount of money for the land occupied by them. Now this person had been served with notices, and when they did not comply, Ondo State Internal Revenue Service took them to court. We took them to court, and they refused even to appear in court several times until judgment was given against them in default. Now, to carry out the judgment of the court, we took every permission from the necessary offices in the state, and today we embark on this enforcement to ensure that they comply with the laws of the state, and not only that, for every tax defaulters in the state to pay their own land use tax. It is just a token.
While the premises will remain sealed until compliance, any attempt to violate the court order, according to legal practitioners, is said to attract 7 years imprisonment. Zaheed Aribisala, OSRC News.